Good morning, everybody, and welcome to our daily agenda for Friday, April 16th. Woo! Happy Friday, folks. So for today, we will be doing Quill for our Do Now, which is nothing new, and then we are going to be wrapping up our GATE Symposium. Today is our final day, ladies and gentlemen. Woo woo! Super excited. Again, homework is that biography if you have not finished, your final reflection, those questions, and then your actual GATE Symposium. So that is the template. Today is even, so just in case, don't get lost. We are also holding Good Morning Mendes needs some more students, or not need some more students, but would like some more of y'all to kind of sign up. So if you are interested in the Good Morning Mendes elective, they're looking for a team right now. Please fill out this Google form if you are interested in participating. So those are our announcements. Again, we're going back to GATE Symposium, so that's just putting everything together, ladies and gentlemen. There are previous daily videos where I showed you guys how to do that. I think I even showed you guys how to upload. Just in case you haven't seen those videos for whatever reason, this is the GATE Showcase template where you are simply just plugging in what you've been doing over the last few days. I'll give you guys an example of one I did on my own. This is where your 10 questions go. Your interview recording, whether this is audio or video, your biography, which you guys already did, just need to copy and paste, and then your final reflection video. So this is where that video goes. You can include the questions if you want, but we need that video. And then really quick, briefly, I just want to let you know, if you are still having issues being like, how do I put audio or my video in? You guys can put your audio here as long as it's been uploaded to your drive. So it'll say insert audio. That was my practice one that I did for you guys. And then same thing if you're going to do a video. It'll ask you for a YouTube link, your URL, or if you have any videos on your Google Drive. So it just depends, all right, where you guys have those videos. All right, guys. And then really quick before we go, we will also be finally submitting our templates. This is where we're going to submit them on the final symposium presentation link submission. This is going to be located in our Google Classroom. It's where you guys are going to give us the final links. Okay? So let me show you really quick how to do that. So you're going to go up here to this top right corner. Let's pretend that this is completely done. Okay? Actually, I don't need to pretend because I have an example that is completely done. So this is, if you guys remember from my interviewee, Maria Ramirez. So I'm going to go ahead and share, and I want you to notice it's shared with all your classes. You guys are all just viewers. I'm going to go down here where it says restricted, only people added can open this link. I'm going to change it so anyone within SAUSD can do it. See how it says restricted, SAUSD, anyone with link. We don't want to do this one because this is anyone on the internet. SAUSD just means anyone within our district, Santa Ana Unified School District. So click SAUSD Google Apps. There we go. It's changed. You don't really want to do editor or commenter. You just want people to be able to see it within our domain. So SAUSD viewer, what you would do is you would copy this link, put done, and then you're going to head over to this Google form. You're going to answer all the questions. So your name, your last name, ELA teacher. This is the permission slip that we will have you. We will have your interviewee sign. So just electronically type in their first and last name, and then right here where it says please submit the link to your final presentation. This is how you would do it. Oh, I'm not sure quite why it's not letting me type. Let me type. No. But you would, ladies and gentlemen, you understand the gist. Right here where it says short answer, you would click it, copy and paste that link there, and then you would submit the form. Actually, I can kind of show you guys what that would look like. Where is the preview? There we go. I just want you guys to see what it would look like. Right here where it says your answer, there's my link, and then I would hit submit. So that's how you guys do it, all right? Just want you guys to be able to see what that process looks like in its entirety. All right, ladies and gentlemen, if you still have questions or if you're still not sure what to do, please, as always, reach out to me, reach out to Ms. Arroyo, and we'll help you out through this process. I'll see you guys in class.